Yeah, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate uh, journal impact factor, quartiles of scientific journals like Q1, Q2, Q3 towards this research paper publications. And today's researchers, most of those who are doing PhD or researchers, especially PhD or master programs, okay, they have to know about their publications. And most of the cases, uh, to submit their final thesis, okay, university may put us some conditions. Okay, they have to publish at least some 2 to 3 journals in indexed journals, and those are, should have some like a Q1 or Q2 with the impact factor. And even master programs also, at least at the end of their work, research work, they have to publish 2 journals or 1 journals. Some of them they may with including even conference papers. Yeah. So we'll see. Okay, what is the meaning of this impact factor and Q1, Q1, that is a queue of journals. Uh, this is about the Scopus and Web of Science. What is the meaning of this? What is Scopus and what is this Web of Science? So later we will see impact factor of a journal. Then we will see what is the meaning of the quartile of a journal. Yeah. Scopus and Web of Science. Scopus and Web of Science are two of the most widely used databases. So these are all actually databases, a collection of databases in academic research. Uh, what actually they cover, they have a database, means these provides access to the journals, articles, and other scholarly literature. And the impact of publishing articles indexed in Scopus and Web of Science is significant in today's competitive research environment. To means to accept, okay, your thesis, okay, it should be published. It may be in Scopus or Web of Science. So that's why it is very, very important to know what is Web of Science. The Web of Science, it is a selective citation index of scientific and scholarly publishing covering journals, proceedings, and books. It is a platform consisting of, means what actually it is a platform consisting of several literature search database designed to support scientific and scholarly research. Usually it is called as SCI, citation science citation index. And to check the details, okay, we will go to the following website, means Web of Science, so that we can check which are all the journals those are indexed one. Yeah. So this is about the link Web of Science. You look at this. This has uh, like agriculture sciences, biological sciences, arts and humanities. It is given some of the fields also mentioned: immunology, microbiology. Even when coming to the some of the engineering also. For example, engineering. In this also we can search journals, IEEE transactions. Like so many journals are listed with the ISSN number, IEEE ASME transactions on mechatronics. So, like this will have a details name of the journal and its ISS number. For example, I want to see some journals. So just I will type IEEE transactions on image processing. This I will give a search. Yeah, IEEE transaction on image processing. So this is the journal here. Uh, its details are IEEE transactions on image processing with the SIS number and publisher, country and publisher. So these are all very, very important databases. So like that, okay, we can check any journals. Okay, here is the list. You can check, okay, and where I have to publish. Okay, you can, or if of the some of the, you know, the some of the journals, and will it be in the Web of Science? Okay, we can copy that name. For example, just now I have checked it. Okay, IEEE transactions on image processing. Here you can, there is a search here. IEEE transactions on image processing. Give a search here. So here it is giving. Okay, click on that. That, okay, yeah, it is in listed in a Web of Science. This is a listed in a Web of Science. Okay, in this way we can check the journal. Okay, is it in the Web of Science? Yeah. And coming to the Scopus, it is also database contains a citation and abstract of a peer-reviewed publications worldwide. Elsevier launched it in 2004 and offers a more extensive list of modern sources. And the link, okay, to check, okay, www.scopus.com. Okay, we'll see that. That also we'll see. Where is that? Yeah, here is the link here, Scopus. You can search with author. Search is also option is there. If you any paper or your paper already it is published, you can search here. You give the details, for example, something like that. Okay, I'm going to check it here. Yeah, give a search. And if we given affiliation, okay, it is easy to check it. Okay, like so many journals are coming here. For example, this is the one example I want to show here. These are all the publication details. And citations, one not citation, 8 documents are there with 2H index. This is all the, for example, cluster based. The details, okay, everything it is here. Okay, you can check. Okay, and this is about the citation and how many are citations. This is the 8 citations still. So like that we can check the details. Yeah. Similarly, impact factor. This is also very important factor. Impact factor is a measure of the number of times. It is a measure of the number of times an average citation to an article in a journal during a year. So it is a citation. Means how many time it is cited. The higher the number of citations for articles are having a higher impact factor. The impact factor is usually calculated after completing the minimum of 3 years of publications. Means, so it will take the last 2 year database and based on that it will give the impact factor in the next year. The impact factor applies only to journals, not to individuals. So this is also very important. So that impact factor, is it having any impact factor journal? Yeah. How much? Okay. That value is also very important. Means higher the, for example, 10, some of the journals have 10, 15. So like that, okay, those journals are very important journal. If the lower the value, okay, means not that much important one. In a given year, the impact factor of a journal is the average number of citation in a given year. For example, in this year, 2024, the impact factor of a journal is the average number of citation received per article published in that journal during the 2 preceding years. Yeah. Impact factor is applicable for Science Citation Index expanded, that is SCIE, and Social Science Citation Index journals. So this is applicable to this. And how this is actually calculated. Okay. Just we want to see that some number is coming, but what is that number? How they are actually calculated? For example, in the 2024, means in this year, impact factor of a journal is expressed as 2024 impact factor is equal to A by B, where A, the number of times, articles published in 2022 and 2023 were cited by Index Journal during 2024. What about the denominator? It is the total number of citable articles published in the 2 years. Means this is the denominator is how many journals are published and how many are cited. Okay. So that is the one. For example, in the 2023, citation are 130. Okay, you are calculating citation 2024. Articles published in 2023 is 130 and articles published are 110. Similarly, for year 2022, citations is 140 and number of articles published are 100. So when I sum up these two, this is about a 210 are published, in this 270 are cited. So that is A by B. So 270 by 210 is a 1.285. Okay, this is the impact factor. That is numerator, if it go on increasing, then automatically this value will be gone. Means more and more cited, more and more, okay, researcher are cited your journal, then okay, or your article in that journal, then this value will be go on increasing. So in this way, we can calculate the impact factor of a journal. And we will see, okay, then where I can check, okay, where I can get the impact factor of a journal. So this is a link here, www.scajournal.org. So there you can check the impact factor of any journal. And now we will see, okay, that how it will be get checked here. Yeah, here is the one scajournal.org. For example, I'm just clicking on IEEE transactions on image processing. Then this is the journal, and here the database here, IEEE, other journals also there, but I'm checking only this IEEE transactions on image processing, impact factor and the keys. This is IEEE transactions on image processing. This is the impact factor based on the Web of Science collections, and this is the impact factor based on the Scopus. Okay, this is the 9.738, 10.856. Also, it gives the other details, ISS number, and who are all the publisher. Yeah, so and even link, you can go to that website. Okay, all the details are given. So means you can, even you published, okay, that just give the title here. Just typing your title, it will give the journal. Okay, means you should know the what is the title, or even ISS number also if it's given here, it will give the details of the impact factor and impact factor based on Web of Science or Scopus. Similarly, what about the quartile? Quartile is one of the quality indicators for the academic research journals based on the citation metrics. It is used by the both Scopus and Web of Science databases. Ranking by articles is carried out with the determination of a four categories like Q1, Q2, Q3. And this Q is classified in this way. Q1, that is the top 25% of any journal in a particular. So that is called, means it is highest, highest highly referred, okay, highly peer reviewed and referred journal. And also it has a more impact factor. And Q2, the next 25 to 50% of the journals in the particular field. Similarly, Q3, next 50%, 50 to 70% of the journals in a particular. Q4 is the last set. Okay, means, okay, if my publication is published in Q1, means it has a more weightage, and Q2 is the next weightage. So like that, okay, Q4 will be the last weightage. So in this way, in these quartiles or Q, we can check this Q also. Skymago journal, we will visit that site. I will show how to check the any journals in this case. Yeah, Skymago journal here. Same thing I will check here. I will take some IEEE transactions on image processing. Yeah, just search it here and these details here. Yeah, and all the database here. This is the computer science, graphics, and design software, and also it gives the ISS number and home page of that website, all the details also. And this is about the your queue here. So this, when you go on checking, started in the 1991, 2001, 3, 5, 7, like 2021, it is always, it is a Q1 because it is the most prestigious journal. Okay, IEEE means those are the most prestigious journals. Usually publication also will take a minimum 1 year, and usually these are some 3 to 4 authors are peer reviewed. So that's why it is always maintaining a Q1 category. Yeah, and other details also there. SCR, okay, indexing, total documents, year wise, how many documents are published, citation per document. So this is the graph here. Total sites, all such details are available here. So in this way, we can understand the this citation and indexing, quartiles, Web of Science, impact factor. Yeah. So I think okay, this will helps the researchers, those they want to get it published, their papers. Thank you.